Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make restaurant style Shahi Paneer. Shahi Paneer is a preparation of paneer originating from Indian subcontinent. As the name suggests, this is a royal paneer dish. It has a delectable taste and the gravy is onions and cashews that lend a lovely richness and creamy flavor to the gravy. The use of yogurt elevates the taste of gravy with the aroma of spices infused. Paneer is wrapped in rich creamy gravy with aromatic spices and a hint of curd. So let's get started. For making this savourous dish, I have taken 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 3 to 4 cloves, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves, 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a pinch of saffron. Saffron is optional, you can skip, and half a cup of fresh cream and 2 tablespoons of oil. So here I'll soak saffron in milk that we will use later, and I have taken 4 medium-sized onions, 3 tomatoes, 2 green chilies, 10 to 15 cashews soaked in water, and I have taken half a kg of paneer sliced like this. I'll blend cashews, onions and green chilies to a paste, and then I'll blend tomatoes also. So here is the onion and cashew paste. Moving to recipe, I will fry paneer. This is an optional step, but it makes paneer soft, so I'll fry it. Now in the same oil, I will add ginger garlic paste and whole spices, cumin seeds, black cardamom, bay leaves, green cardamom, cloves and cinnamon stick. Saute them nicely. Keep stirring till they turn brownish, and then add onion and cashew paste. Mix and let it cook on low flame till it changes its color. It may take around 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. Keep stirring in between till oil is visible. So here you can see they are fried properly. So we will be adding now tomato paste. Mix and let it cook, and then add salt. Mix and let it cook for more 15 minutes on low flame. So after 15 minutes it's almost cooked. Then we will add spices, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and garam masala. Mix and let it cook more till oil is visible on the surface. Now here you can see oil is visible on the surface, so it's cooked properly. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of curd, and I'll keep heat on high flame. Keep stirring so that the curd doesn't curdle. When curds mixed properly, then we will be adding cream. Keep stirring on high flame till cream is mixed properly with the gravy for around 2 to 3 minutes, and then add paneer. Mix, be gentle with stirring, paneer may break, and then add milk and saffron mix. Here also the flame is high, so keep stirring so that the milk won't curdle, and then we will be adding kasuri methi for flavor. Cover and let it cook for around 15 minutes on low flame till gravy is thickened and paneer gets the taste of gravy. And you can adjust salt also at this stage. So after 15 minutes, the luxurious and wonderful Shahi Paneer is ready. Now I'll dish it out. It can be served with rice or roti. Each bite of this dish has a pop of flavors and rich creamy feel, and you won't be able to resist adding extra to your plate. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.